Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. Today I would like to share how to measure partial correlation in Excel and R. For example, if we measure correlation between blood pressure and income, you will probably get very high correlation coefficients. So it misleads association between two variables. How can you measure it correctly? In this case, we need to measure the relationship between blood pressure and income after excluding age effects. So I will show you how to measure it by a simple example. There are three variables: age, satisfaction 1, and satisfaction 2. I want to measure the relationship between satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2 after excluding age effects. Alright? According to Wikipedia, partial correlation measures association with controlling random variables removed. In our program, once you read data in R, you can use COR function to calculate three variables correlation each other. So satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2 shows 0.703 correlation coefficients. However, after activating GGM library, if you measure partial correlation between satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2, after excluding age and after comma, you can define covariance matrix from this raw data. Then you can get this partial correlation 0.115, which is very low. So we can say that the relationship between satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2 is low after excluding age effect. So I want to show you how to get this number, this figure in Excel. Right. So I'm going to use regression analysis to get residual. So independent variable is age, and dependent variable is satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2. Yeah, two regression analysis. So intercept function, comma, and press F4, X variable. Right? And plus slope function, Y variable here, press F4 and comma, and X variable, which is age, and press F4 and multiply by X variable, right? So this is the regression model, right? So we need to exclude, we need to get residual. So after calculating this regression model, we need to get a residual. We need to also use satisfaction 1 and minus and regression model. Right. Okay, same format. So satisfaction 2 minus, after opening parenthesis, intercept satisfaction 2, 4, comma, age variable, and press F4 plus slope function, and multiply by age. Right? Cool. So we can use these two residuals to calculate partial correlation. So again, if we just use correlation function for satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2, yeah, this is simple correlation between satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2. So to calculate partial correlation, we can use two residuals here. So CURL, comma, cool. So this is partial correlation, which is same as our output, right? This one. There is another way also we can calculate partial correlation by using this formula, right? So let's calculate correlation between satisfaction 1 and satisfaction 2, which is same as this one. So correlation between satisfaction 1 and age. For next one, yeah, we calculate three correlations. So in order to calculate the partial correlation, let's use this formula. So the numerator part minus rho this one multiplied by this one and over SQRT 1 minus this one and squared and multiplied by squared 1 minus this one. Alright, so as you can see, yeah, we were able to get partial correlation like our output. So today I showed you how to calculate partial correlation in Excel by two different ways. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video to understand partial correlation. Please click like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.